Hi, my name is Mitch Fennell. I'm a master's student in the Wildlife Coexistence Lab in the Biodiversity Research Center, as well as the Faculty of Forestry here at UBC. My research takes place in Cathedral Provincial Park in the South Okanagan on the territory of the Silks Okanagan Nation, and what I'm looking at is the interface between human recreation and wildlife in protected areas. And to do that, I use camera traps to capture signals of both human use of habitat as well as wildlife. What we're mainly looking at is whether increasing human recreation in protected areas, which have a dual mandate of both protecting natural environments and the species that live within them, as well as providing amazing opportunities for people to enjoy these same environments, and whether the increasing use by people of these areas is having negative effects on the wildlife within them. So why I got into biology, I would say it started from childhood, when my parents would take me out a lot into the natural world, doing activities like hiking, fishing, looking at different plants. And I would say my dad was a very big influence on that, who was a biologist himself. Would occasionally take me out to be his field assistant, although I'm not sure how much help I was actually giving and more of a hindrance. I did my undergrad as well as moving into my grad studies here at UBC, and what inspired me to come to UBC was the amazing campus as well as the draw of all the different activities around Vancouver that we're able to do in our free time as well as with our research activities. Things like Civic Spirit Park here, where we're able to do labs in our courses in the actual forest. So one of my favorite research memories would be working as a summer field tech in Banff, doing wolf kill site investigations with a field partner of mine who is also a UBC student, and going up onto a plateau in the mountains, coming up over a ridge, and just seeing an expanse of green in front of us and a massive grizzly bear digging up roots just a couple hundred meters away, completely indifferent to us, but just in a serene setting with a pretty amazing animal right in front of us. So I would say my favorite study organism is the mountain goat, which is pretty famous in Cathedral Provincial Park, where my master's studies takes place. And they're pretty amazing creatures, being able to go up almost vertical faces, survive in conditions that you wouldn't really think possible, and they're also just very wise looking.